Hello everyone. So the question given to us is we have to find the correct set of quantum numbers for the last number of electron of Na plus ion, and we have to tell the answer if there is a possible answer from all the four options. Okay, so there are four options. So basically there are four quantum numbers, okay, for an atom or an ion. So first quantum number is principal quantum number, that is n. Okay, second is your azimuthal quantum number, that is L. Third is magnetic spin quantum number, that is M. And last one is electron spin quantum number, that is nothing but E. Okay, so turn by turn we will find each and every quantum numbers. Okay, so in order to know the quantum number, we must know the electronic configuration of sodium ion, and specifically this is a cation, sodium cation. So the configuration of sodium cation is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay, so in order to find the quantum number, we have to concentrate on the last cell, that is 2p6. From 2p6 we can directly find the value of n. So from 2p6 the value of n is nothing but the coefficient of p orbital, that is n is nothing but equal to 2. So what is the technique to find? You just have to write the coefficient of the last cell. Okay, now in order to find azimuthal quantum number for different subshells, the azimuthal quantum number will vary. Likewise, so for S, P, D, F, there is a variation in the values of azimuthal quantum number, that is nothing but L. For L or subshell or orbital, the value of S is nothing but 0. For P, value is 1. For D, value is 2. And for M, value is 3. Okay, students. So L value can vary from 0, 1 to 3 depending on SPDF. And the value of M, that is magnetic spin, will also be dependent on L. So if value of L is 0, then magnetic spin will be 0. Value of L is 1, then magnetic spin will be -1, 0 and 1. As you all know that P has 3 shells in it. Okay. Same way for D, the value will be -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, as D has 5 shells in it. Same way for F, the value will be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so in our case we will get two answers from this. So the value of L will be equal to 1. So L value is nothing but 1. Okay, and for 2p6, if I am drawing the shells and electrons in it, so P has 3 shells in it, and in Na plus ion there is 6 electrons. So I will just place 6 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for finding value of M, it can be -1, 0 and 1. Magnetic spin, 3 values are possible, and it can take any of these 3 values, but according to our option, the value of M will be equal to 0. Okay, so I think now the option is clear which is the correct answer, that is 2, 1, 0 and -1/2. Now how this -1/2 value is the answer, now I will explain you. See, again, if I am drawing the shell for an electron, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Hund's rule is used, okay, for pairing of electrons. So one electron will spin in clockwise direction and another electron will spin in anti-clockwise direction. So here the spin value will be equal to -1/2. Okay, so if I am placing every values in a group, so the value of n will be nothing but 2, azimuthal number is 1, magnetic spin number is 0, and electron spin can be +1/2 or -1/2, but according to our option, -1/2 is the correct option, as electron can spin in the opposite direction. Okay, if there are two electrons, one is spinning in clockwise, then another will spin in anti-clockwise direction. So hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.